So now in this section, we will learn the Java desktop application. First, I'll introduce with Java Swing. Then we will play around with Swing containers. And then I'll show you what the JLabel component is all about. Then we're going to learn JTextField as a component. Then the component JButton. And then to wrap things up, we'll have a look at the JDialog class. Introduction to Java Swing. Java Swing is used for enabling large-scale enterprise development of Java applications. It provides a graphical user interface for Java programs. Swing has many rich graphical user interface components to design very useful applications. So we can use these components like button and text box, label, etc., right from the library. So here on the slide, you see the Swing class hierarchy diagram. The base class after the object class is the component class. The component class is a superclass that declares the common features of the graphical user interface, or GUI components. All components in Swing are JComponent, which can be added to container classes. JText, JLabel, JComboBox, JList, JMenuBar, JScrollBar, JPanel, JOptionPane, and JButton as abstract button extend JComponent class. Also, the JFrame extends the frame and JDialog extends the dialog class. Both the frame and the dialog class extends the window class.